Oh my god, Godzilla x Kong is just incredible. The film opens with a breathtaking sequence set in the heart of Hollow Earth, where Kong the Mighty Titan engages in fierce combat with a horde of formidable adversaries. These early scenes not only shows Kong's raw power and agility, but also establish the perilous world of Hollow Earth, teeming with ancient creatures and untold mysteries. Meanwhile, on the surface, Godzilla emerges as the guardian of Rome, defending the city against a terrifying spider-like monster threatening to unleash chaos and destruction. The comparison of these two iconic titans sets the stage for an epic showdown that will test their strength, resolve, and ultimately their allegiance to humanity. Dr. Andrews, a monarch scientist grappling with ominous seismic disturbances emanating from Hollow Earth. Her adopted daughter Gia, a non-verbal child with a mysterious connection to the Titans, becomes the focal point of their investigation. Gia's engaging drawings hint at a deeper truth hidden within the depths of Hollow Earth, prompting Dr. Andrews to seek answers from an unlikely source. Then Barney, a conspiracy theorist with a keen interest in Titan lore. Together, Dr. Andrew and Barney embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of Hollow Earth, delving into ancient prophecies, forgotten civilizations, and the true nature of the Titans themselves. Their quest for knowledge leads them to confrontations with the monarch's bureaucracy from their peers, and ultimately a race against time to prevent a cataclysmic event foretold in Gia's version. As tensions increases, Dr. Andrews assembles a team of experts including Dr. Trapper, specializing in Titan physiology, and Captain Reese, a seasoned pilot with first-hand experience navigating the treacherous terrain of Hollow Earth. Together they embark on a perilous expedition into the heart of darkness, where they will confront ancient evils, forge unlikely alliances, and uncover the truth behind the Hollow Earth's darkest secrets. Meanwhile, on the surface, Godzilla's erratic behavior raises alarms within Monarch, prompting fears of an impending clash between the Titans. As Godzilla's presence looms large over the world's major cities, tensions reach a boiling point, and humanity finds itself on the brink of annihilation. With the fate of the world hanging in the balance, Dr. Andrews and her team must race against time, uncover the truth behind Godzilla's actions, and prevent a global catastrophe. Their journey takes them to the depths of Hollow Earth, where they encounter Kong, the last of his kind, and the key to unlocking the mysteries of their world. Together, they navigate treacherous landscape, ancient ruins, and savage beasts, all while contending with Scar King, an ancient evil imprisoned with the Hollow Earth. As the battle between Godzilla and Kong reaches its climax, Dr. Andrews and her team race to prevent Scar Kong from unleashing his wrath upon the world. With the help of Kong, Godzilla, and Mothra, the legendary Titan of Light, they confront Scar King and his army of monstrous minions in an epic showdown that will determine the fate of humanity. In the end, it is the power of friendship, courage, and sacrifice that triumphs over darkness, as Godzilla and Kong unite to defeat Scar King and restore balance to the world. As the dust settles and peace is restored, Dr. Andrews and her team return home. They journey forever, etched in the annals of history as a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. Godzilla vs. Kong: The New Empire is more than just a movie. It's an epic tale of adventure, discovery, and redemption that will resonate with audiences for generations to come. From its stunning visual effects to its gripping storyline and compelling characters, this film testament to the power of cinema to transport us to new worlds and inspire us to dream big. We hope you enjoyed our in-depth analysis of Godzilla vs. Kong: The New Empire. Be sure to share your thoughts, theories, and favorite moments in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Keep laughing and smiling. I'll meet you in another even better video. Until then, goodbye.